Hello. How to use mango, guava leaves with potash. This is potash for poultry and human health. Natural remedy exposed in this particular video. You can see what I have here: mango, guava, and potash. This one we're making use of this extract. This one I'm going to tell you how you're going to make use of them. It's not the normal way. Also, this is going to be a different way. That's why I always advise you to watch the video to the end so that you get the best result. You are highly welcome to the Poultry Side TV, your #1 destination for unlocking powerful natural secrets for poultry health and human well-being. Have you ever wondered how local herbs like mango leaves, guava leaves, and potash can completely transform your poultry business within a short period of time, or even your personal health as a poultry farmer? What you are about to learn is a game changer in poultry and human health. This simple herbal combo used by traditional farmers for years is now scientifically proven it works, and it's also good. I'm going to show you in this video how you're going to make use of it, and you're going to discover exactly how to use it and the powerful 15 benefits it brings to you and to your poultry beds and your business together. Mango, guava, together with this particular, you can see it. This is called account. It's potash. Please, if you don't have this, you see it. If you don't have this, you can make use of palm fruit flower ash, the one I taught you in this particular channel, the one you burn and make use of the ash. You can make use of it. If you don't have this, please. It is wonderful. I'm going to give you a wonderful organic in this particular video right away. Watch the end, and if you are new to this particular channel, don't leave this channel without subscribing. If you don't subscribe, you will regret, because you may not even see the alert. You may not see the channel again. This is an opportunity for you. They say one who climbs the Iroko should come back with firewood, because they don't climb Iroko on a daily basis. So as you meet this channel today, make sure you subscribe at the same time and activate the bell notification, because if you don't subscribe now, you may not even come across this channel any longer. Right opportunity for you. Give this video a thumb up and comment. Share to reach more poultry farmers how to make use of mango, guava leaves extract together with potash to give your poultry a good health. Natural remedy exposed in the particular video. Poultry and livestock health, 100% sound health, and 100% profit. Please, let's get there. Veterinarians never told you this natural poultry secret. No. Because if they tell you this, you will not call them any longer. You will not even invite them any longer. You will not be spending for them. And some of them, they will not have the money again, because you are depriving them of getting the money from you. You boost your poultry profit naturally without synthetic drugs. This is nature hidden cure for poultry diseases, weight gain, and egg drop, reviewed in the particular video. This local leaf combo is ×10 more powerful than antibiotics and 100% safe and safer than antibiotics. Let me give you 15 medicinal and health values of mango leaf, guava leaf, and potash in poultry. Together, they are natural antibiotic substitutes when you combine them together, because they fight bacterial infections without side effect at all. No. Immune system booster. They strengthens birds against flus, CRD, and Newcastle. They become stronger. Remember that anything that can make chicken become stronger than Newcastle, so that Newcastle will not even attack them at all. They are digestive cleanser. The digestive tract is being cleansed by this wonderful combo. It eliminates worm and detoxifies the whole digestive tract and make their tract free to eat and to convert the feed. Respiratory support. They clears the mucus and prevents breathing issues. Once your poultry is not breathing well, poultry birds are not breathing well, they cannot eat you. Know that one quite well. Anti-inflammatory. They reduces internal inflammations and swelling, and even wound and pains. that pens that will make them to sit one place, they will not be able to stand well to go and eat. It's going to clear it. Antioxidant power. It has a very strong antioxidant power that fights cell damage and supports fast healing. Appetite booster. The boost the appetite encourages better feed intake and feed digestion. Weight gain enhancer. They promote healthy weight development in broilers and other birds, mostly broilers, turkey, and other birds, and promote solid egg quality in laying birds also. Egg production stimulator. If you are chickens are not laying well, maybe you have starved them too long. Like one woman that just called me, say, I starved my chicken too long. They started reducing an egg drop. From there now, they have stopped laying at all. What do? I told her what to do. They're going to make a very solid feed to bring them back. She ran away. She thought that maybe if you are starving chicken, they will be laying massive egg for you, so that she will now be making profit without spending money. She brought the chicken, treat them, and they start laying. Maybe they started laying, she stopped feeding them so that she feel that she have arrived. Now they are started laying. Let me go and relax and eat. The chicken, you can't cheat them. Oh. They are chicken, but they have sense. They have number 6. The chicken say, okay, come and pack the egg. Let us see. All of them stopped laying. The woman is now crying. How do I do? What do I do now? Madam, if you are hearing this video, since you say you don't have money for organic booster, our eco bio booster that will bring the chicken back to lay egg, this particular video can help you. If you may even have money to even buy a cow or even go and pluck mango leaf, I don't know whether you have the money for this, because you think you can cheat chicken. It's not economic. Over economic, stinginess is affecting you. Use this mango leaf now if you can have it. You may even be still stingy that you know even the mango leaf is free. You may not even give them the mango leaf. You feel that they are going to drop the egg for you. They have number 6. They stop laying for her and she's not crying. They are there enjoying, rejoicing. They will be there. Very soon they will start buying. Once they start buying one after the other, that's when you now run back and know what to do and do what you will be asked to do. The blood purifier. They keeps the blood clean and oxygen rich for performance, high performance, both growth and weight. You remember that this red blood cell is what gives them that strength to grow and fat. Stress resistance helps birds cope with heat and environmental stress. Natural dewormer kills and expels internal worms effectively. Bone and joint strengthener. Their bone will be strong. Your chicken will never crawl. They will always be walking. And once they are walking, moving around, they will always be free to eat. If your chicken is crawling or squatting because of leg injury or pains in leg, they will not be able to eat you. And once they don't eat, there's no way they can convert it. There's no way, they don't have anything to convert because they are not eating. So you always make the chicken to be smart, always. This is going to help you also. Disease prevention. They guide against common poultry illness and diseases like coccidiosis, Newcastle, and others. Faster recovery. They aid quick recovery from sickness or after medications or before vaccination. You can use it to strengthen them and also help them to combat stress. So by using mango and guava leaves, you are going to get amazing results. How do you make use of this? See how you're going to make use of it. As you have this handful like this, use one of these, please, not too much. This one like this, one is okay. Wash this thoroughly. Don't wash this. Wash this thoroughly. Put it inside a pot. Please use clean pot. So some of you that are stingy, you even go and use grandmama pot that is too dirty, that will contact bacteria for them. See clean pot here. Put them inside a clean pot like this. Now carry one of these alone, one like this, and see. Now use clean water, neat water, and pour inside. Feed the whole place with water. Are you seeing it? Fill it with water. 1 complete liter of water. Then go and use a very clean gas cooker. Set it on fire and boil it thoroughly. Boil it very well. Cover it well as you are boiling it. Please don't open it. Cover it well and boil. After boiling, you're going to see the rich color. I'm not going to show those areas so that I don't want this video to be too long. All of us know how to boil something. The way you boil your food, boil it thoroughly 15 to 30 minutes. Let it get the original color. You see it. Then allow it to cool. After cooling, filter it. You're going to see this. Filter it thoroughly. You're going to get this particular result. Put it inside the addition and dilute it. If depending on the number of birds you have, this particular handful can serve 100 birds. Share to your 100 birds. If you have more than 100 birds, please don't increase the account or the potash. Only increase the leaves. Guava and guava leaves is what you're going to increase the quantity. Use the same size of that account, that's potash, and add. Boil it thoroughly and going to see the result. All these are strong combo that give you maximum result. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and do your best to join our community members. Many people are there already. Mrs. Alefuna Amaka is there and others. These are wonderful people that want us to grow. God will always establish their business and grow them also. Let's get there. Thank you for watching. Anytime you have any issue, please send their message on the comment section. I will always answer your question. Don't send their message to me on any platform at all. I will not answer you there. Send it on this particular comment section or any of the video. Any video you watch, send the question on the comment section and make sure your question is correct, accurate, specific, direct. Don't ask me how do I use it, how do you use what. Please specify your question so that I will be able to give you correct answer, because that question I may not attend to it more than twice. If you send something that doesn't have meaning, I will give you something that doesn't have meaning also. You will not get the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Let's get there. The next video is uploading in the next channel. Don't miss it. For now, by using mango and guava leaves boiled with potash in your poultry farm routine, you are not only reducing costs, you are also unlocking the secret potentials of nature pharmacy. This is natural pharmacy you are getting. Make this powerful herbal combo part of your weekly routine to take care of your poultry and livestock animals, and watch your flock grow heavier and more production without chemicals. You're going to get amazing egg drop in your laying birds. Wonderful ones that will amaze you. Their drop is going to be superb. Jumbo eggs with strong shell and quality color. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.